See, it is absolutely shocking to see the incident at Asagaon, in which outsiders are protected by this BJP government. आम्ही सदांच म्हणताय की this BJP government basically has patronized this outsiders. हे सगळे दिल्लीचे, बॉम्बेचे लँड शार्क हिंगा गोंयन आमगेली जी गिरेस्तकाय आमगेली जमनीचेर आक्रमण करून आणि yesterday's incident is heights of म्हाका दिसता आमगेले जे हे पुलीस आहे तांकां भाड्या घातला टू प्रोटेक्ट these outsiders. The incident is shocking to see the connivance of the police department and this land mafia. हे शर्मा धर्मा इंगेली कर्मा आणि आज जरी तर तुम चोयल्यार there were people residing in that bungalow as well. आणि it was bulldozed. The way bouncers were used. ही दादागिरी, ही हुकुमशाही आज म्हाका दिसता हुंय ना हुंय बीजेपी ह्या भायल्या मनशांक प्रमोट करता. We all expected that the bungalow, illegal bungalow, हांव सदांच हावजांत उलयता की हो illegal bungalow जो ओल्ड गोवा आहा that needs to be bulldozed. पयलेंच आमी मुखेलमंत्री सांगलेले योगी भाशी ते व्हर आनी हे बंद फोन उडय म्हूण. पूण हो गोंयकाराक त्रास करपाक बीजेपी इज completely hand in glove. And this dadagiri and this hukumshai needs to stop. And I also request our Goan brothers and sisters that I think time has come to protect the little land that we have in Goa. We should stop selling our lands to outsiders. And तेच भाशेन I request the Honorable Chief Minister, who's a silent, mute spectator and has not at all reacted to this issue, that stringent action should be taken on these people who are hand in glove using bouncers, using this dadagiri is not Goan culture. Dev bare guru.